Okay guys, next job, to record a signal through the desk. We route our signals on this desk via the subgroups, which are over here. Okay. Normally you're going to record microphones that come into the desk up here, but for now I'm going to record a bass guitar, so I'm going to use a 1/4 inch jack input where it says line in at the very top. That means I need the line button pressed down rather than up for mic. Okay, let's start from the beginning. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my fader up to unity. That's so that the channel outputs exactly the level I put in. I'm going to select left right mix, so this signal goes to the mix. I've already set up my control room volume here, selecting left right mix. Our main fader is up, so I'll be able to hear the signal I put in. As I come back to my channel, the white knob at the top, that's your input level, and that's where we're going to set the level that comes into the channel. Okay, so first of all I'll play the bass and you'll hear a little bit of level through the room. Can you hear that? That's coming through the desk into the room. Next thing I've got to do is I've got to route that to subgroups over there. How do I do that? Watch this. Okay, so we route via the submix. My signal's coming into the channel. It's coming to the left right mix just here. But to route it to the appropriate group, I need to use these group routing buttons. They're labelled in pairs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. They correspond with our 8 submix groups here. When I come back to my channel, I'm selecting 1 and 2. That's a pair. I don't want to go to 2 channels at the same time, so if I use the pan pot just here above the fader, that selects left for odd or all the way right for even. I want to go to 1, so I need it to stay all the way left. If you look at our pan pots on these channels, they should be set left right all the way across, but you need to be aware of that routing. If this was in the middle, it means our signal is going to go both to tracks 1 and 2 on the submix, which could mean spill across 2 channels that you don't want. So be careful to check that. Okay, now when I play the bass, it's routed to 1. I need to put my group fader up, and then I can check that in the mix by pressing left right mix here. But when I play, we should see some signal up in the meter just here. Okay, hold on a second. Now my bass is turning up at subgroup number 1. Just to recap, signal appears, press my group button, pan the channel appropriately, get your submix or group fader up. You can check that's working okay by placing that in the left right mix.